Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to change your key fob's battery. My key fob is for a Nissan Terra 2022, and I believe Nissan Navaras also have the same key fobs as well. It'll be a quick video on how to change the battery. You just need a screwdriver and your battery, and that's it. It's very simple, just gonna take a few minutes and you are good to go. In my case, I have a hard shell, so I'm gonna have to take this out first. Here's the battery that we need. It's an Energizer CR2032. My current battery holds a battery of CR2025. It's the same battery size, so it should work. This battery is cheap. It's about 100 or less. You can buy this at Mr. DIY or 7-Eleven. Another tool that's very useful is the flat screw, and this one's optional since I have my hard case on my key fob. I'm gonna take out the hard shell of my key fob first. I'm gonna do a fast forward here. By the way, I bought my hard shell case in Shopee if you guys want to check it out. Here it is. First step is you have to push this slide switch. Push it the opposite side so you can take out the physical key. Once you push it out, slide it out, you're going to take the physical key out. This reveals a small notch on top of the case. As you can see here, there's like a very tiny space, so that's where your flat screw comes in. You just put your flat screw tip inside, just enough for that space to fit in, and then you twist your flat screw sideways. It's going to pry it open slowly and gently, and do it on the other side too. So it's going to pry open the case. Let's do it again. There you go. And once you have that top part open, you just slide in all the way down with your fingers, and on the other side too. This should open the cover or the case itself. So it's going to be two parts. So we're going to need this one where the battery sits. You're going to need your flat screw as well. You're going to have to pry it out. Just put it on a small space and twist it. Pry it. There you go. As you can see on the battery here, I've replaced this already before. I was using CR2025, which is different to the one that I just bought, CR2023, but they're of the same size, so they should work. I think around 75 pesos for two pieces. So there's the difference. The new one is CR2032. The second one, or the old battery, CR2025. So let's go ahead and open this new battery. It's gonna take me a while to open this because it had like a child-proof packaging, so I had a hard time opening it, so I had to slice it up using my cutter. And there you go. All right, so you're gonna want to put it on battery slot. Make sure that the contacts are exposed up top like that, and make sure you slide it down and snap it in place. All right, that's it. So you just have to snap the cover back into place. Make sure all sides click, and make sure it's finger tight, all sides, top and the bottom, left and right. Perfect. So you're going to want to secure it in place and put the physical key back in. Make sure you slide the notch before you put it back in, and you're going to hear a clicking sound, and it's locked in place. So there you have it. If you want to stay with me on this video, I'm just going to do some cleaning. Since we're changing the battery, might as well clean it, because over time some dust particles accumulate. Just gonna go ahead and clean this. There's like a silicone case for the key fob. Just gonna wipe that, put it back in. I'm also cleaning the hard shell as well. Just wiping up, all the dirt that's built up, and making sure everything's clean before I snap it back into place. So there you have it. It's a very short video. I hope this video helps you guys out. You don't need to bring your keys to the casa or whatever. It's a very DIY procedure. Just need some screws. I'm screwing it down, hard shell. I hope this video helps. So there you have it. That's how you change the battery of your key fob. This applies to all Nissan Terras, latest models. 2022 is mine, a Nissan Navaras, and thanks for watching.